Okay, so here it is. The Hyosung Streetfigher GTR 250. This is after the accident. So I took off all the the plastic. It was all smashed, and then I made new cables, changed the handlebars where they mount it like that. Polish that. Put a new seat cover on it. I had to change the lever here, this throttle. I had to change this whole electrical thing. And I had to get new wires here because this was too short. Because the bars used to be mounted down here, so then I raised them so they're sitting higher. And then I just made this little fairing for the radiator. Put an LED in there. This was the dent from the side. I just painted over it. Fuck it. And I was actually trying to get a new exhaust on there today. But anyways, that's that. That's the bike. So after crashed, fixed it, whatever. I was going down the freeway when I crashed this thing too. So I managed to not get hurt. Bullshit. Alright.